Hello friends, this is Maria here, and today I'm gonna show you this entire journal. Is very nice, easy to do, and so you can grab some ideas about decoration and how you can do your own journal. This actually is for a present, so let's start. I was inspired in this journal for gardening, so I wrote here my own garden. This was a sticker. I just cut the borders and I glue it there, and as you can see, this is handmade, and I sew this part here by hand. I added two little angles here in order to frame it a little bit more, and then I built this nice kind of a booklet here, so she can be probably writing something in here. This is actually a present for a teenager, and this measures 6 times 6 inches, and as you can see, it's inspired in spring, butterflies, some flowers. And on this page, I have this little flap that says green is my color. Actually, it is my color. And I just went ahead and placed some clips there, paper clips, and also more papers with green. Everything is inspired in green. And I got this from my, I guess it was a greeting card. And it's a book, and it has a lot of green. So I built everything green in this page. On this page, I have this inspiration using this paper. I got all these papers from Michael's, and this is just probably 90 cents each. So, and I glued these succulents here. I love them, and it's a nice contrast, and it looks super, super cute. This is butterflies or self-propelled flowers, so I love this page. Actually, I have a tag I'm gonna be placing here with a butterfly. I'm gonna bring it in a moment. And here I have another page with those bicycles, and I did this little flap here, so you can easily go to this page where I have lavender, another booklet. Everything is made by hand. This is just held by that little thread there, and in the center I have this key, like a dangle there, and two little rings. I love the way they look. Here I have a card and a little pocket there, and in here is that kind of activity page where I see the label that says the flower of friendship, and it has a pot and then flowers, some flowers that you can cut around and place it here and just plant the flowers, or make the symbol that you're planting your flowers here in your journal. This is super nice. I got these labels from this kind of book that comes with a lot of papers, and in the middle of those papers you have these labels. Of course, they don't come with glue, but you can cut them and you can apply some of them to your journals. So I glued this on a cardstock before I did it here, so I have a little bit of height here, so I like to see it popping up from the page. Here I gave this nice green touch again, but using washi tape, and I built this kind of a grid or something on a frame. And this, I built this nice booklet. Also, this booklet has 2 pages, in total 4 pages. She can probably journal in here, on here, and it goes here in this text box. And here in this page, a little bit of music, and on that page there, we have another kind of a booklet, and then a label that she can use to place something in here, to write, to remember. And that's the flip through of this amazing little journal, but with a lot of meaning that I made for a teenager. So I hope you like this video, you get some ideas and some inspiration. And as I always tell you, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. That way you're gonna be receiving a message every time I post a new video here on YouTube. I hope to see you soon in my next episode. Bye bye. Bye friends. Bye bye.